In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Hostinger domain with Shopify. If you bought your domain through Hostinger and you want visitors to land on your Shopify store, the connection is usually done by updating your DNS records in Hostinger and then completing the setup inside Shopify. Shopify's current guides for Hostinger and third-party domains say the main records you need are an A record for the root domain and a CNAME record for www. First, log in to your Hostinger hPanel. Then go to Domains, open Domain Portfolio, find the domain you want to use, click Manage, and open DNS/name servers. That is the area where you can edit the DNS records for your domain. Hostinger's support articles use this same path for domain DNS management. Now you need to update the key DNS records. For the main domain, edit the A record so it points to Shopify's IPv4 address, which is 23.227.38.65. Shopify also says that if you already have other A records for the root domain, you should remove the extra ones so they do not conflict. Then check the www record and make sure it is a CNAME pointing to shops.myshopify.com. These are the standard values Shopify currently requires. In some cases, Shopify may also ask you to verify the domain. If that happens, go to your Shopify admin, open Settings, then Domains, and choose to connect an existing domain. If Shopify gives you a TXT verification value, go back to Hostinger DNS settings, add a TXT record, and enter the name and value exactly as Shopify provides them. Hostinger's Shopify guide shows the TXT name as Shopify_verification when verification is required. After saving the DNS records in Hostinger, return to Shopify and finish the connection from the Domains section. Once Shopify detects the correct DNS records, your domain should connect to the store. Keep in mind that DNS changes are not always instant. Shopify says domain connection, propagation, and SSL provisioning can take up to 48 hours, so it is normal if the domain does not work immediately. If the connection stays pending, double-check that your A record is 23.227.38.65. Your www.CNAME points to shops.myshopify.com, and there are no old conflicting records. Shopify also notes that DNS/SSL can cause issues during connection, so if everything looks correct but the domain still does not connect, that is another setting worth checking. So the full process is simple. Open your Hostinger DNS settings, point the A record to Shopify, point the www.CNAME to Shopify, add the TXT record only if verification is requested, then complete the connection inside Shopify and wait for propagation. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.